Okay, so we're underneath this DT engine, and we've already plastic gauged the journals, and they're 1 to 2 thou, which was within the recommended specifications, and we're rolling in new main bearings. You can see, the tang, the bearing half, the upper half, is only one way it goes, which is good. We're using Lubriplate. That's the white grease, assembly grease. And we got a couple, no more than a couple thou clearance with the plastic gauge. This is the rear bearing, main bearing, which has the thrust washer, which controls how much the crank moves back and forth. So 6 to 12 thousandths. And then when we torque the main bearings, it's going to be from the middle, the circle pattern out. So here's the manual. It's the Bible. You got to have it. Get the proper torque specs. So I was telling you about the circle pattern. Start from the middle. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can do a circle from the middle out just to get an even torque on the crank. And the first torque is 100 foot-pounds, and then the next torque is 130 foot-pounds, and then it's torque to yield, another 90 degrees, which is, if you look at the bowl, it's a hex and a half. And then, like I said, the circle pattern, and that gives you the nice even torque, and you still do the torque to yield with the circle pattern, and you're good to go for the next step.